Hi fams, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this new video, I'm going to show you how you can add Temu as an app on your Windows PC. Instead of having to always visit the Temu website, you can actually add Temu on your Windows 11 PC and use it as an app. And here is how to go about it. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your web browser. Just about any browser should be cool for this. So just visit the Temu site on your browser, and once the website is loaded, if you look at the address bar just to the right here, you'd see this nifty icon that says install. So just click on that, and then you'll be prompted to install Temu as an app on your Windows PC. So it just goes ahead to add the app. You say, would you like to pin Temu to your taskbar? If this is something you like to do, just go ahead and say yes. So that way we can always have the Temu app right here at our disposal. You can just go ahead and launch it anytime you wish to make use of the app. So that's how to simply add Temu as an app on your Windows PC, courtesy of the Progressive Web App technology. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.